Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you online YouTube class. My dear students, I also complete chapter first, sources of food. And after second chapter, that second chapter is going on, and that's my dear students. I hope all students safe at home and complete your chapter first. If you have any problem in chapter first and question answer and another type, so then you consult me. And today I am going to teach you second chapter. That's your second chapter named components of food. So my dear students, in that chapter we have read about components of food. So first, what is the component of food? Okay, and if some component of food, so why important for this? It means why important this components of food, and another types we have read in that chapter. And before classes, sources of food complete, and all students complete your fair copy also. And today start, or before starting the class, firstly you pause the video and take a screenshot and what read in that chapter. That's a topic you also know. Before starting the class, firstly I write on the board a topic and take one by one topic, then start our class. Okay, so firstly you take a screenshot, write in your copy. Okay, okay, so my dear student, that's your topic, and that chapter name is components of food. Components of food. Okay, components of food means that's your components of food. Okay, firstly nutrients. What is nutrients? What is nutrients? My dear students, when we have check any types of food, and that food different types of ingredient available, and that's ingredient called nutrients. That ingredients called nutrients. Okay, that's the first topic is nutrients, and second topic is component of food. So what is component of food? That's whole, there are 6 components of food. Okay, and divided in 6 group. That's carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, roughest water, roughest here, roughest or fiber, and water only. Okay, so that's your topic. And my dear student, in that 4 topics, carbohydrate, fat, protein and vitamins, you also known as organic food. This known as organic food. And next, roughest or fiber and water are also known as inorganic food. So in that chapter we have discussed about what is organic food and what is inorganic food. Okay, next topic is testing for nutrients. Testing for nutrients. In that period we have discussed about testing for carbohydrates, testing for fats, testing for vitamins, testing for proteins, testing for roughest and water also. Okay, in that period we have discussed about that topics. It means testing for nutrients. Okay, next topic is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay, you also know, if balanced diet, your balanced diet is not in proper way, then your growth will stop. Okay, if balanced diet is not in right way, then you not grow in your height, not grow proper way in your minds and another types. Okay, so that's the balanced diet. And next is deficiency disease. Which deficiency caused by which disease? Just like if you have less than vitamin C, which type of disease? If you have less than vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin K, and that's whole types we read in that chapter, and that's uses, sources, deficiencies and disease also. Okay, in that chapter. Next year there are 3 points. It means malnutrition, undernutrition and obesity, and 3 topics also read in that chapter. Okay, next year important facts. In that last period we have discussed about some important facts. You also know, in that last class, when our class is last, after that I also wrote on the board some main points you also write down in your copy, then start our next class. So that's some your topics. So firstly we have take, that's the first topic of nutrients. First topic of nutrients. So what is nutrients? I write also on the board. So firstly you write down, and after that's the first topic I write on the board, then we have discuss about what is nutrients. Okay. Okay, my dear student. So our next first topic is nutrients. So what is nutrients? Okay, nutrients means we know that every food item, it means dish is made from different ingredients. Every ingredient contains some components that called nutrients. It means with if you make any types of dish, okay, in that dish we contain different types of material, and different types of material, different types of ingredient available. So and that's ingredients called nutrients. Okay, and next here that's the ingredients, that's called ingredients. Okay, next here nutrients in food. So which type of nutrients available in food? So which type of nutrients available in food? It means our body is made up of many different organs. Many different organs. Is that clear? It means our body made up of different types of organs. Okay. Next, these different organs grow. These different organs grow, develop, and remain healthy. Remain healthy because of the food we eat. It means if we don't take food, then we can't grow. And which type of food we eat, in that food more different types of ingredient available. And if we eat ingredient, and that's ingredients, in that's all ingredients called nutrients. If we eat nutrients, after that we can grow. Okay, next there are 3 points. First, energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and next protective food. It means in that period we have discussed about our 6 components. You also know 6 component, and 6 component divide in 3 part. First, every energy giving food, next bodybuilding food, and next protective food. Okay, so which is energy giving food? It means carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food. Okay, next bodybuilding foods, only proteins. If you take more than protein, after that your bodybuilding, that's called bodybuilding food. Okay, next here protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. But you says, sir, you write on the board six nutrients, and there are five only. So my dear students, one is water. You also know if water is not available, then we can't survive our life. If we not drink water, then we how to survive our life, how to live here. Okay. So my dear student, that's your topic. Firstly you write down. Next we have discussed about next topic. Okay, so that's our topic, and my dear students, that's a nutrients figure, and that's a nutrients in food. Okay, so you remember that point. What is nutrients? That's the examine question. In that type of question come in your exam. What is nutrients? Okay, next here, who is energy giving food? That's the objective type of question. Next, who is bodybuilding food? And next, who is protective food? Okay, that's 3 objective type of question and 2 marks. It means short type of question. And that's nutrients in food. That's not for exam question, but that's a knowledgeable questions also. Okay, and today's our class is over, and next day we have discussed about our next topic. It means components of food, and today we have discussed about nutrients and foods in nutrients, and next class we have discussed about components of food. And my dear students, you also see my video of next class, because components foods are very important for you. If you don't know about components of food, then you how to survive, how to seize anything. Say about components of food, what is component of food, and how many types of component of food. Okay, so my dear students, you stay home and save your life and continue your study and watch the video. Okay, thank you.